Hi, everyone. I am Marie Cancelleri, and I'm here with Jess Tessman. And we wanted to offer you an opportunity to donate to an amazing cause to support the Alzheimer's Association and to offer you a picture tapping workshop in exchange for that donation. Picture tapping is a fantastic new technique that I learned, and without having to share anything with me about any issue that you want to focus on, you are able to draw just little sketches and do some tapping. And I take you through this whole process where you're able to find resolution for this issue completely on your own by following this process. I met Jess through a networking group, and she is doing incredible work for the Alzheimer's Association, and I will let her introduce herself to you.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much, Marie. I am super excited to be collaborating with you. As Marie mentioned, my name is Jess, and I'm a staff partner at the Alzheimer's Association of Connecticut. My great grandmother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and my family has witnessed firsthand the challenges of caregiving. At that time, they were not made aware of services or resources available. Alzheimer's is emotionally, physically, and financially exhausting, and we want people to know that they do not have to go through this alone. Caregiving is difficult. Many of them have anxiety, depression, and poor quality of life. So we need caregivers to know that they need to take care of themselves the best that they can, and for them to know that we are here to help them. We do have a 24/7 helpline, 800-272-3900. You can call at any time with questions about Alzheimer's or other forms of dementia, and you can ask for a one-on-one meeting, and we can help guide you and your family.